Stand up in that chest, I'm about to rock out. My bitch say she ain't feeling me, she got me on my top now. Turn up on all you busters, all them hoes call me Rasta. No question, I go dumb, yeah, I'm about to rock out. Come in, I'm in this bitch, I'm with this shit and I can't stand y'all. I don't know you niggas, we ain't homies, we ain't hang out. All my bitches love me, ain't no feelings, you cross miss repercussion. 90 baby, I go duff it, cut up, you know, fuck it. Let me slide up in that like a DM. I'm pressure, you don't see him, run this bitch, I'm about to eat him. Shout out to Miley, feed him, FBA, they be the reason. Shut up, don't make me beat you, call him J and make you beat it. I keep a couple heaters, now I keep a couple skeezers. Yeah, you know I throw them bitches, keep your gun, we don't need it. Play with us, my niggas deep, we fuck shit up and then we leave it. My Aunt Alicia on my dick, she like the way I'm leaning.
I'm flying you?
Natural. We running it right now, you know what I'm saying? You beat that blunt right?
Yeah. I was just trying to tell you about the rest of what you there for. Hey, bro.
Man, you always bullshitting, man.
They call me so smoke a lot.
Hey, which one of y'all talking my wife, man? What this nigga doing right now? You was fucking my wife, dog.
Like you scared, you do all that kind of like you frightened.
Pussy ass nigga. I want to sleep out there. What up? Man, fuck all that. Man, fuck all that. Man, fuck all y'all Rasta niggas, man. What up? Man, fuck all that. What up? Man, I'm with that.
My man, you know, my man say you want no trouble, you know what I'm saying?
Come here.
Yeah, Lo. Throw that
Get in here. Go down. Move your body down. Come down. Stay right there.
Stop it, Bree. Yeah, nice execution.
Baby done turn me up, now pull me up. I need that green up in my cup, pick lemonade. About the stove up in my lane and we can roll. Behind cars, behind my mama, behind that we can go. So fuck you niggas, I'm straight punching bitches down, that's how they go. If it's up in here, it's up in here. I'm saying shit, what's up with it? We can get the knuckin' if you buckin' shit, I'm done with this. Come up in that thing, I'm with that gang, we turning up that bitch. And we don't want no holler, get the fuck, you ain't my partner. You left me in this stage, now I'm fucked up, I'm on that rider shit. I'm tired of this, push you without hearing, I'm on that silent shit. Put me in this game, now bet on me, watch out demolish shit. Oh, you don't want it, punish my opponent, not the opposite. Let me in here, man, I'm trying to turn you up, little bitch, I bet I make you dance. Left or right, I'll move your fucking hips, this is not a game. You know that I'm that man, I'm turning up now. Let me in the door, I'm in that thing. Stand up in that chest, I'm about to rock out. My bitch say she ain't feeling me, she got me on my top now. Turn up on all you busters, all them hoes call me Rasta. No question, I go dumb, yeah, I'm about to rock out. Come in, I'm in this bitch, I'm with this shit and I can't stand y'all. I don't know you niggas, we ain't homies, we ain't hang out. All my bitches love me, ain't no feelings, you cross miss repercussion. 90 baby, I go duff it, cut up, you know, fuck it.